What's up YouTube, Silver Dragons here, and in this video I'm going to show some poured silver. This is actually my poured silver collection here that I've been working on over the last couple years, but also I'm going to be doing an unboxing. This is an extremely sentimental piece for me personally. It is the poured accord. So let's do it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I do sincerely appreciate it. This video has been a long time in the making. I'm so excited to finally have gotten the poured accord back in my possession. But before I unbox that, let me show you some of these poured silver items that I have here. Let's see, we got, ooh, this one here is a cool one. That's from Papa Dean to Mocha's Enterprise. Absolutely gorgeous. What else do we got in here? Let's see. So many cool poured silver artists represented. Oh, we got Polar Bear Pours. That's a beautiful little piece there. We got Bunker Bullion. He is awesome. Look how shiny that is. Still super shiny, and I think it's a couple years old. What else do we got? We got Losing Louie. Beautiful piece there. Your eyes probably automatically drift towards the Tetris set. That's Backyard Bullion. But yeah, we got lots of cool pieces in here. Here's one from MK Bars. Absolutely gorgeous. And yeah, so many beautiful artists. I've been working on my poured silver collection for quite some time. I'm having a blast with it. I love making my own poured silver and picking up poured silver. I actually got two more adds to the box here. This is from Silver Cajun Metals. Look at those ripples. 3.3 ounces, 999 fine silver, 2020. There you go. Super cool. So we're adding that one to the collection. And I do have one more. Check this one out. It's Mutt Mafia Metals. So there we go. Another one added. I think that one's a little over 2 ounces. I'm not exactly sure how much is in here. I think it's probably somewhere around 100 ounces of poured silver. But yeah, I just love this stuff. I love collecting it. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Every single piece is unique. But anyway, let's move this to the side here. All right, so here is the poured accord. Now, why is this poured silver bar so special to me? Well, it actually happens to be the first bar I ever poured my entire life. This is it. This is where it all began. I don't even really remember what it looks like, but we're going to open it up here. Now, this bar has been sent around to the community. And when I say the community, it's gone to, I think, somewhere around 10 different YouTubers. They've received the bar. It actually was an award that was started by Yankee Stacking, Clever Coin, and myself. So it was the Poured Accord Award, and the three of us sat on the Poured Accord board, and we actually sort of decided who was going to get this bar next. But over time, as you can imagine, it turned into just like a thing where people mailed it to whoever they wanted. But anyway, I cannot believe I got it back. So let's open it up here. Oh, I see it poured. And I didn't cut through anything important, I don't think. Let me get this open the rest of the way. There we go. Got it all the way opened. All right, so I think this is some stuff that I purchased. Yeah, these are some pieces that I bought from TLT Coin Hunter. Super cool copper pour there. And this one as well, another skull. So some pretty cool copper pieces I picked up from him. And he was actually the last person to have the poured accord. So let's just see. I think there's like a scroll. Yep, look at this. Oh my goodness. This is bringing back memories. Move this to the side. I know the bar's in here. Let's check out the scroll first. The poured accord. Oh my goodness. And look at all these channels that actually received it and signed there. Isn't that cool? Wow, absolutely insane. And as you can see, TLT dated it 10/7 of 2019. So he's had this bar for the last 6 months, and he had some personal stuff going on, but he was finally able to get it to me. So really excited about that. And check out the bottom here. Silver Baggins Yankee Stacking and Clever Coin. Back when my channel was called Silver Baggins. Absolutely insane to have this back in my possession. So let's just check out the bar here. I've been waiting so long for this. I mailed this out over a year and a half ago, and it's finally made its way full circle back to me. There it is. The poured accord in all of its glory. Oh, wow, my first ever piece of poured silver. I cannot believe that I'm holding this in my hand right now. Let's check out the ripple side. Wow. Look how far I've come. Oh, wow. And these little indentations you can see on the right-hand side of the bar, like those little craters, those were actually pieces of graphite that were stuck on there. And it was because the crucible had not been heated up before. It was the first time ever using that crucible. And so little bits of graphite ended up in the bar. And then when those popped out, there was those little indents there. Isn't that crazy? So insane. So insane. Wow. Well, I'll tell you what. I'm never letting this one go. I am holding on to this one forever. This is going in my PERMASTACK. This bar means so much to me. I cannot believe I got it back. But I want to say thank you to the whole community. Everyone that received the bar, passed it along like they were supposed to. It has made an incredible journey. The poured accord all the way back to me. So now what am I going to do? Because the whole point of this was to send it on to new people and just keep the thing going forever, right? Well, I don't know that it could go forever, but my thought was maybe I could actually just like sand off a little bit of the corner and take some of that silver and make another bar. We can call it the poured accord number 2 or something like that. I don't know. Maybe comment down below what you think we should call it. The second bar, but I think I do want to make a second one and use a little bit of silver from this one, and maybe we can send it out to people in the community, or maybe we can do something fun with it. I don't know what I want to do with it, but I want to do something special. It was so incredible to see all of the different channels make videos on this bar when they received it. Wow, what an amazing experience. What a great community that we have here. For me personally, this is beyond stacking. This is even beyond collecting. This has so much nostalgia, so much history. I will never let this go. This will be in my PERMASTACK for the rest of my life. Such a beautiful piece. I cannot wait to pass this on down to my kids, and then they can pass it down. Hopefully this can stay in the family for many, many generations. So I would actually challenge you, the viewer, do you have any one piece in particular in your stack or collection that you would never, ever let go of, no matter what? What piece is it? If you're a YouTuber, I would actually challenge you to make a video on that piece. And you can either in the title, or you can just do a hashtag PERMASTACK. So in the title of this video, I've included the word PERMASTACK. I've also put a hashtag PERMASTACK. So if you make a video, we can just click on that hashtag and see everyone who's made a video of the important pieces to them. I think that would be super cool to see what you all in the community have in your stacks that you would never, ever get rid of. For me, this is it. Okay. Well, I do want to say a massive thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you all in the next one. Silver Dragons out.
There it is, folks. Poured accord. This will be passed around to the poured accord recipient.
This bar has miles already. It has a ton of miles.
I have a package under the tree.
The poured accord.
Say bye-bye to your bar, Baggins. Sorry, bro.
I'm pretty sure the Baggins bar is gone, guys.
See your sticker stack by midnight tonight.
Channel that was formerly known as Silver Baggins.
Goes around with this bar. I poured a cord, 2-ounce tray. I believe, could be wrong, but it could have been made by Silver Baggins.
Here we are back on YouTube, Silver Bean Counter. So you can see I've got my signature on there already.
There it is. Pretty cool.
I just want to show you all the porta cord and take it somewhere where only I can take it. Southside Stacker, and I'll see you all in the next video.